Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Review Scout, your destination for honest reviews of affiliate marketing products, digital tools, and online business opportunities. If you're searching for genuine insights before buying the latest software or training course, you've come to the right place. Today's video is all about Bullet Cash System, a product that's been getting attention among affiliate marketers and beginners looking for free traffic methods. If you've been wondering whether the system is actually worth considering or if it's just another online marketing course making big promises, stay with me until the end, because we're going to break everything down in simple language. Let's start with the biggest challenge almost every new affiliate marketer faces: getting traffic. It doesn't matter how good a product is or how high the commission might be. Without visitors, there are no clicks. Without clicks, there are no sales. That's the reality of affiliate marketing. Many beginners spend weeks creating websites, designing logos, writing blog posts, or opening social media accounts. Some even spend money on paid advertising before they understand how affiliate marketing actually works. Unfortunately, many give up because they don't see results fast enough. This is exactly the problem Bullet Cash System says it wants to solve. Instead of teaching complicated marketing systems, the course focuses on what it describes as a simple approach to getting your offers in front of people who are already looking for solutions. Rather than trying to build attention from zero, the training introduces a strategy centered around leveraging existing buyer interest. According to product, this approach is designed to reduce unnecessary complexity while helping beginners focus on practical action. Now, I actually like the thinking behind this concept. In marketing, timing and audience matter more than simply working harder. Imagine opening a small shop in the middle of an empty field. Even if your products are excellent, hardly anyone will find you. But if you open the same shop on a busy street where thousands of people already walk every day, your chances naturally improve. Affiliate marketing often works in a similar way. Learning where interested buyers already spend their time can be just as important as choosing the right product to promote. Another thing I noticed is that this training seems to target people who don't have large budgets. That's important because many new marketers simply cannot afford to spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars on advertising every month. Learning methods that don't rely entirely on paid traffic can be valuable during the early stages of building experience. The course also emphasizes that you don't need to create your own digital product. That's one of the biggest attractions of affiliate marketing itself. Instead of becoming a software developer or course creator, affiliates focus on recommending products that already exist. When someone purchases through their referral link, they may earn a commission according to the affiliate program's terms. For beginners, that removes one major obstacle because product creation can require months of work. Another feature highlighted is simplicity. Let's be honest, the online marketing world sometimes makes everything sound far more complicated than it needs to be. You're told to master SEO, paid ads, email automation, artificial intelligence, funnel builders, landing pages, analytics, and dozens of software tools before making your first commission. That amount of information can actually stop people from taking action. Sometimes having a straightforward process is more valuable than having 20 different strategies you never fully implement. From the information available, Bullet Cash System appears to encourage users to follow a repeatable routine instead of constantly chasing the newest marketing trend. That's a mindset many successful marketers recommend, because consistency usually produces better long-term results than constantly switching strategies. Of course, it's also important to keep realistic expectations. Whenever you see a sales page discussing affiliate commissions or online income, remember that every person's experience is different. Training programs can teach methods and strategies, but they cannot guarantee specific financial outcomes. Your results will always depend on factors like your effort, consistency, ability to learn, the products you choose to promote, and the amount of time you're willing to invest. That's why I always encourage viewers to approach any online course as an educational resource rather than a shortcut to overnight success. Education can improve your skills. Implementation is what creates results. One aspect I found interesting is a focus on creating a manageable daily routine instead of expecting users to work for endless hours. For people balancing a job, studies, or family responsibilities, having a structured process may feel much more realistic than trying to spend an entire day learning marketing. If you're someone who prefers learning one step at a time instead of being overwhelmed by advanced strategies, this style of training may be easier to follow than more technical affiliate marketing courses. Overall, the first impression is that Bullet Cash System positions itself as an introductory affiliate marketing training focused on simplicity, free traffic concepts, and practical implementation rather than technical complexity. Whether it ultimately delivers value depends not only on the course itself, but also on how consistently you apply what you learn. Let's continue by looking at what is actually included inside the training. According to the product information, the course walks users through its core traffic strategy step by step, instead of expecting them to figure everything out on their own. It also includes supporting resources like a quick start guide, an opportunity blueprint, and a daily checklist designed to help users stay organized. Personally, I think resources like checklists are underrated because they help turn learning into action. It's one thing to understand a concept, but it's another thing to know exactly what you should do every day. The product also includes several bonus training modules. These bonuses focus on additional affiliate marketing education, case studies, and insights from experienced marketers. While bonuses can certainly increase the overall value of a purchase, I always suggest evaluating the main course first. If the core training provides useful knowledge, then the bonuses become an extra advantage instead of the main reason to buy. Now, let's answer an important question. Who is this product really designed for? Based on everything I've reviewed, I'd say it's primarily aimed at complete beginners, affiliate marketers who haven't made consistent commissions yet, and people looking for a side hustle they can work on during their spare time. It doesn't appear to target advanced marketers running large businesses or experienced advertisers managing significant advertising budgets. If you're just starting your affiliate marketing journey, one of the biggest challenges is knowing where to begin. There are thousands of YouTube videos, blogs, podcasts, and courses available online. The amount of information can actually become overwhelming. Having a structured learning path may help reduce confusion and make it easier to stay focused on learning one concept at a time. Another positive point is that the product seems to encourage consistency over perfection. That's a lesson many successful entrepreneurs repeat over and over again. Waiting until everything is perfect often leads to procrastination. Taking small, consistent actions usually produces much better long-term results. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. You don't become confident by reading 10 books about cycling. You become confident by actually getting on the bicycle, making mistakes, adjusting your balance, and improving with practice. Affiliate marketing works in much the same way. Every campaign, every promotion, and every piece of content teaches you something new. The more experience you gain, the better your decisions become. That's why I believe implementation is far more important than simply collecting information. One thing viewers should also understand is that no affiliate marketing course can remove the need for patience. Building an online business takes time. Some people earn their first commission quickly, while others may spend weeks or months refining their strategy before seeing meaningful results. Both experiences are completely normal. The key is staying committed to learning instead of expecting instant success. It's also worth mentioning that the product repeatedly emphasizes free traffic rather than paid advertising. That may appeal to people who want to minimize financial risk while learning affiliate marketing. Free traffic methods usually require more patience than paid advertising, but they can also help beginners gain valuable marketing experience before investing money into ads. If you're someone who enjoys learning new skills, testing ideas, and improving gradually, then educational products like this may provide useful direction. On the other hand, If you're searching for a guaranteed income system that works without effort, then it's important to adjust those expectations. No legitimate affiliate marketing training can promise specific financial results because success depends on many personal factors beyond the course itself. Overall, Bullet Cash System presents itself as a beginner-friendly affiliate marketing training centered around simplifying the learning process and introducing strategies that focus on existing buyer interest rather than building everything from scratch. The concepts appear straightforward, and the course is positioned as an entry point for people who want to explore affiliate marketing without becoming overwhelmed by advanced technical topics. My recommendation is simple. Before purchasing any online training, make sure it matches your current experience level, understand exactly what is included, and remember that education alone doesn't create success. Consistent action, patience, and continuous improvement are what make the biggest difference over time. And that's my complete review of Bullet Cash System. I hope this video helped you understand what the course is about, who it may be suitable for, and what you should realistically expect before making a decision. If you'd like to learn more or check out the complete details, you'll find a link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching the Review Scout. If you enjoy honest reviews of affiliate marketing products, AI software, and online business opportunities, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an upcoming review. Until next time, take care, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.